little while ago. See, this is my template box. As you go along, you know, day by day, week by week, month by month, you're going to find shapes that you like, that help you, that you turn into holes, and they're templates, and they will help you make all the shapes you need. So I have a template box, and I'm going to bring this template over here. And I'm just going to say, okay, if you wanted to create a custom font, you know, you would take a hole like that. Always make a duplicate. Keep a duplicate over here. Let's see. Trying to do this. Okay, look at this. So oops, that's not what I wanted to duplicate. I wanted to duplicate the template. Okay. So let's just say I want to make sort of a curve. Anytime you make whole templates, you always want them to completely pass by the limit. You want them to, if you just were to leave those up, then you'd have a lot of trouble. Anyway, you want to create custom font, you know, you can do that all day long, just with all these different things. All right. You get the idea now? Okay, let's say we wanted to make something, a font that said Cocoa. See how I'm just turning these shapes into holes and then grouping them? Again, all your holes should always pass the boundary of whatever you're trying to group to. Okay. So let's say we made this unique font. Taking that, duplicating it. So this is crude and primitive, but this is just, you know, for the sake of illustrating the basic process of how I would make font. I've done it 1,000 times. There. Okay. So now, let's just make some sort of scalloped edges or something like that. Okay. I'm going to take this and hit Control D. That makes a duplicate. I'm going to make that go an increment down. Move it this way. Now I'm going to rotate it 9 degrees. Okay. So I'm just holding down Control D and making that shape right there. Okay, so what if I wanted it to be a little thinner? So watch that. So I'm going to group that. You can hear my computer humming. You got the red line. Okay. So I'm just making this abstract shape here, but that should illustrate to you the general method for making shapes. Let's make that a motif. Group all that together. Okay. And let's take this. Actually, let's take a copy of that. Let's make it a little thicker. Let's ungroup it. Now let's make it to where that just basically hollows out that shape. Not hollow enough. Oh. All right. Let's turn that pink. Okay. Save that element right there. Okay. So let's do this. I'm hitting Control D to make the duplicates now. Okay. So I've made that. I'm going to group that together. And once that finally bakes, I'm going to make a duplicate of it. Hitting Control D. Now I'm going to go to this right here, which is called the mirror tool. And that's going to reverse the polarity. I'm going to line that up right there. And now I have sort of a motif. You could play with these shapes all day long and get whatever motif you want. So now, let's say, make this pink too once it finishes baking. There we go. Okay. Let's put like a pearl in there. So let's shrink this down, rotate it. Okay, let's group this. Trying to bring that over to the other side where I'll mirror it. And so we'll create a border. Now, you see it, I hear me desperately trying to move this damn thing over. But when you deal with wave duplications like this, it slows everything down. You just have to be a little bit patient with Tinkercad. You can make it do what you want, but it comes at the price of lag. Okay. So let's group that whole thing. Here we go, more lag. You can hear my computer breathing real hard. Let's see if it's ready to duplicate. Nope. See, it's sucking wind. There we go. See, I'm putting my foot to the pedal, but she does not want to go. You can hear my computer fan just going. There we go. Mirror tool again. See, everything's lagging. That is super laggy. Okay, so there's our border. Okay. Oh, look at how much trouble that's having. Both sides are red hot. Okay, and so instead of rum, we're going to be selling cocoa today. Et voila. Hope you found that helpful. I just want you to realize that a lot more is possible than you would expect. Okay, peace out.